I'm left-handed unfortunately, so it's a little tricky for me to do a full demonstration of this guitar, but I will just run through the different pickups and the pickup selector settings. So first we're going to start on the bridge pickup. You hear volumes working across all the pickups. Tone rolling away as well. Now, when I take my hands away from the guitar, what I want to hear is no electrical interference, so no hum or noise. That would indicate that our ground circuit's installed correctly. So if you do take your hands away from the guitar and you do hear sound, what I would do is open up the electronics cavity and have a look at your ground circuit. The last thing I'd do is just test the neck. So I would run up and down each string at each fret. What you're listening for is fret bars or any dead notes. So do that on all strings and then go back and make necessary adjustments to the neck relief and the action as required. Okay, so from here, that's pretty much the end of the project. I hope you've enjoyed following along and enjoyed building your guitar as much as I have. And thanks for watching.